Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the device and unplug it, then wait about 30 seconds so residual charge fades. You need a fresh CR 2032, a small flat screwdriver or plastic pry, and a cloth to protect surfaces. Once set, locate the coin cell holder, usually marked with +/- symbols or next to a battery icon. Carefully remove any cover or panel using the pry tool. Make sure to keep screws organized, so reassembly is fast and exact. You now remove the old cell. Gently pry the CR 2032 from its clip, lifting at the edge to avoid deforming the contact spring. Once out, note the orientation. The plus sign must match the holder marking. This is why orientation matters. Inspect both the coin and the metal contacts for corrosion or debris. If needed, clean contacts with a dry cotton swab or a tiny amount of isopropyl alcohol and let them dry. A clean contact ensures reliable voltage transfer. You insert the new CR 2032 with the correct polarity visible. Press it gently until it seats in the clip. You should feel a slight click. Once seated, replace the cover and reconnect power. Turn the device on and verify full function. If something acts odd, power off and recheck seating. If the device still won't start, test the new cell with a multimeter and confirm +/- contact pressure. Proper disposal of the old battery at a recycling point completes the job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.